We'll guide you through how to update VS Code to ensure you're always using the latest features and improvements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it's open, you'll want to go to the Help menu located in the top menu bar. Click on Help, and from the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. VS Code will automatically check for any available updates. If an update is found, you'll see a notification in the bottom right corner of the window prompting you to download and install it. Click on the Install button to start the process. The update will download and then you'll be prompted to restart VS Code to complete the installation. A simple restart is all it takes, and you'll be running the latest version. If for some reason the update doesn't start automatically, you can manually download the latest version from the official Visual Studio Code website and install it over your current version. This won't affect your settings or extensions, so no need to worry about losing any customizations. Keeping your software updated is crucial for security and access to new features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped.